How to view liked posts on X? Here's how to find them. First, open the X app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you're signed in to your account. There are two ways to view your liked posts, depending on the version of the X app you're using. Method 1. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open the side menu. If you see the History option, tap on it. Then select Likes to view all the posts you've liked. Method 2. If you don't see the History option, tap Profile from the side menu instead. On your profile page, swipe through the tabs such as Posts, Replies, and Highlights until you find the Likes tab. Tap Likes, and you'll see all the posts you've liked on X. If you want to remove a like, simply open the post and tap the heart icon again to unlike it. And that's it. That's how you can view your liked posts on the X app. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more social media tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.